Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know, my name is Bella, and if you are new or haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely does help get the channel out there. Okay, so we are at AutoZone because we're gonna be maintaining the G today. Finally, it's been like 10 years since I've done an oil change on the G. So I'm gonna get an oil like catch pan because we have it at home, but I think it's like full. I already grabbed the oil and the filter for the car, and so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and grab that. Thank you guys for 24,000 followers on Instagram. And then for the
famous ass motherfucker, god damn.
we hit 1,000 followers on YouTube, which is, it's not a lot, but I've heard from this guy.
I hate when people fucking downplay it. Like, what you mean it's not a lot? You know, if you don't hype that shit up.
I mean, I know, that's what I was saying on Instagram. I was saying, like, it's not a lot to some. I was like, because people are out here, you know, getting like 10,000, 100,000. Yeah, so we're gonna go inside and then I'll see you guys back at the house.
They didn't say in the video, or if it's not in the title and you don't get it yet, we're also gonna do her take out the stock catalytic converters and go ahead and put in some resonated test pipes. Now, anybody who knows cars knows that usually you want to do this like a day or two before, and you want to spray this on the bolts that you're going to take off because it's probably hella rusted. I'm going to just spray this now and hope it kind of works. And then two, there is, you know, some stuff that you typically would have to take off. Thankfully, over here, if you look in there, you can see the two bolts that you will be able, well, two nuts that you're able to access from here. You're going to need like maybe 2 12-inch extensions and a swivel will do it. If you have your stock intake box, obviously you're gonna have to take it off because this entire area is gonna be covered by stuff. We have a carbon fibre intake.
Yo, but it's dusty. Look at this thing.
Yeah, you just gotta clean it. That's it.
Yep.
There we go.
Spit on it.
Yep. Two that you got. Wait. Well, the phone's not doing so well, but those two you gotta take off, and there's one more in the corner, but that is actually on the bottom.
We got some PB&J.
Yep, we got that PB&J. Oh, you gotta make sure it's...
Wait, whoa, wait. cut. The one that we got, it was $10.99. I got it at AutoZone. It's called PB&J.
Alright, I don't know if it'll hit it from here because I don't know why it didn't come with a string. Hopefully this isn't a wide shot. There we go.
Wow, yep.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really strong.
Yep.
I feel like you guys didn't really get to see much of the car with the wheels on, but ooh, I've been driving the car like every day now ever since I got the wheels on, because like, why not? Gotta show off these babies. So we are in need of one jack stand just for like safety purposes while we're here working on the G, and that looks funny. I feel like either or, it makes the car look very feminine, either wheel.
You don't gotta do it to my car like that.
Okay, so we're finally gonna do the actual oil change. We got lots of oil, you know, DE things. I'm using a size 14 for this, for the ones who don't know or at least have never done an oil change on a G35.
Yeah, do you have another set? It looks spicy, you know what I mean?
Ooh, look, no messes. So we've been to put this oil in our little ghetto little funnel, but it works.
Trying to get that Valvoline sponsor, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Look how big it is next to you. Oh my god. Alright, go for it. Dang. That saucy pour. What's the next move?
That's it. All right, guys, so that's gonna be the end of today's video.
Oh god. I gotta go low because I forgot how like small you are. Look, even in the shadow you can see. But yeah. Y'all, all right. All right, I'm gonna make her do this side so that way she learns. The outside one's gonna be easy. It's a 14.
Okay, so these are the two little bolts that we took up. Look crusty. Let me see. That's so funny. From this angle, like, that's the bolt that we're trying to loosen, but it's being a pain in the ass.
So I'm gonna use this as kind of a ghetto breaker bar. There we go. Same process on the second bolt. And there's gonna be one that you have to do from the bottom. I believe a nut also on the bottom. There we go. Once you get that off, then you have to take off these brackets right here. I would save that for last because those are the only things that are holding up your cats. The last thing you gotta do is take out the O2 sensor.
We just took one of the gaskets off. Look, it's so brittle. It's like chips. Bruh. Ew, look at them. These are the, I'm like struggling to hold it, the resonated test pipes we got from a friend of ours. Shout out to Shayan. The gaskets from Z1, and then it comes with the, well, it doesn't come with the hardware. You have to like pay like an extra like $25 just for the hardware.
This is why this socket's important, because it just allows the wire to be out. But that's an idle.
So definitely have to get an exhaust. So how do I feel about the test pipes and how I guess it changed the sound of the car? Instant regret. But I needed it because the cats were literally like done. You guys saw how brittle the freaking gaskets were. Like it was literally like chips. Now this is just more of an incentive to now get an actual exhaust for the car so it doesn't sound like this, because it just does not sound good. I don't know how people run their cars like this and be like, oh man, that's fire. Like,
Paco.
Oh. I'm not a fan, but it's their thing, you know. I know what you guys think of the sound. I know. What do you think?
I think it sounds like dick. I mean, it doesn't sound terrible, but it doesn't sound good. But like, no VQ to me sounds good.
Yeah.
Like,
well,
just
actually, I've heard people with the Z1 exhaust.
You know, okay, yeah, you know what? Let me shut my mouth.
I'm looking for more. I've always been a fan of like the deep rumble, but never of like the little. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hope you guys like my now.
It's almost straight pipe VQ.
I'll see you guys in the next one.